1 Pro exec.
Daniela and Jack have successfully launched the Space Shuttle Discovery. The Space Shuttle's official name was Space Transportation System, and those shuttles did a lot of transporting. They flew 135 missions and brought 355 astronauts into space. The last shuttle launched in 2011 and headed to the International Space Station. It was a successful flight, but Daniela and Jack are at space camp, so they can expect anomalies.
Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem.
Houston, we have a problem. APU speed.
Copy, we're just reaching that there.
Mission Control has to be ready to help solve problems, so Sinead springs into action.
Okay, 3 is affected. You're going to go R2.
All right, that's Daniela's side.
I would have to tell them, like, flip this switch to this position, push this button here. What should I do? 3 is your affected engine, so it should be off right now. Oh, yes. So it was a bit of a challenge trying to understand the information I had and then communicate it to them in a way that they could understand, and then they'd be able to carry out the actions to stop the rocket exploding. You want to put the APU speed select to high. Yep, perfect. You solved that problem. All right, good job.
Well done, Sinead. She figured out that the problem was with the shuttle's third engine, and soon Daniela and Jack get their flight back on track.